KaTribu, I'm Venice Bautista, your tropang KalanPag for today. So grabe guys, init na talaga. Summer na. Feel ko na yung heat, ang taas ng araw. So what's the best partner ba kapag summer sa mga desserts or snacks? Diba? Ice cream? So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make our own ice cream. And what's so fun about it is that you can add whatever you want to it. So parang experiment, pwede siyang fun family activity, friend activity. So, let's just start. It's super easy, super dali lang gawin. Tapos, konting time lang yung kailangan. Let's go! So guys, sa sobrang dali lang ng recipe na to, we only need 3 ingredients. Akalain mo yun? 3? I think ito na yung pinaka-konting ingredients na kinailangan kong for our recipe. So, all we have is the cream, all-purpose cream, condensed milk, and then the vanilla extract. That's it! Let's start making it! Okay, so let's start making our ice cream. The best part about this, you don't need an ice cream maker or any fancy equipment. Talagang, eto lang, you can just hand beat it and then the mixer, pero not constantly. Hindi mo kailangan magpagod. Okay, so let's start by mixing our vanilla with our condensed milk. Yan. Let's just mix it ng maayos. Make sure na completely folded sila. As you can see, vanilla ice cream to gagawin natin, but you can always add anything you want. Pwede bang sprinkles, cookie crumbs, fruit mangoes, or talagang chunks of fruit, no? Para refreshing for the summer talaga. So if na-mix na siya ng maayos, let's move on to the cream. So we're gonna make like parang whipped cream dito. Okay. So, let's use, as you can see, by the way, naka-frost siya. Nilagay na namin siya sa chiller kanina para mas ma-enhance yung chilling process ng ating ice cream. So, there. This is also perfect for summer parties. Pwede kayong gumawa ng ice cream bar. Tapos, maglagay lang kayo doon ng cups of like sprinkles or any like add-ons, chocolate chips. May mga chocolate or caramel syrups din. It's sobrang patok yun pag nag-party kayo with that. Okay. Okay, let's start whipping our cream. We're beating it. Tapos lapit tayo dito kung saan malapit sa electricity. Ayan. Okay, let's start. Ayan. Make sure na lowest possible lang yung pag-ikot niya para hindi tumatalsik-talsik. Yan. So, let's just continue mixing it until na maging fluffy siya. That's what we're looking for. Ayan, so now we can see nagpipeak na siya, tapos may konting bubbles na rin. And that means pwede na natin ihalo yung ating condensed milk. So, ito rin kasi yung nagpapa-creamy sa ating ice cream. That's why we have to achieve that bubbles, diba? Yan, okay. So, stop na natin yan. Tapos, we don't need to use this anymore kasi once we pour this condensed milk and vanilla mix, we're just gonna use this spatula. Okay. There. Yan. Amoy na amoy ko na agad yung vanilla. There. Okay, so just continue mixing it. Nag-fluff na agad yung ating cream. Mapapansin nyo agad yun kapag nag-start na kayo maghalo. Yeah, so just continue to mix them evenly. There. Okay, so now that we have minimized the lumps dito sa ating cream mixture, pwede na natin siya ilagay sa ating loaf pan. But before that, maghanda muna tayo ng ating parchment paper at ng ating cling wrap. Okay, so first we line the loaf pan with the parchment paper. There. Okay, so now na medyo na-quarter na natin yung parchment paper sa loaf pan, let us now transfer our cream mixture. There. Yan. Oh, this is so fun. Okay. By the way guys, yung ating loaf pan, na-chill din natin siya sa freezer or sa chiller para, yun nga, mas efficient yung ating freezing process. There. So, yung mga natitira, let's use our spatula. There. Grabe, patapos na tayo guys, 'di ba? Ang dali lang. Pero nag-enjoy ka. Tapos, you know, it's a new experience of making your own ice cream. Okay, so now na i-freeze natin yung ating cream mixture. Before that we put it inside, kailangan i-secure natin siya with a cling wrap para hindi siya magtubig while the freezing process is ongoing. Okay. So, okay, so now that we're done wrapping this with a plastic wrap, ready na siya sa ating freezer. Tara! Okay, so kanina we prepared our homemade vanilla ice cream and ito na siya. Straight out of the freezer. Okay. Titikman na natin siya. This is moment of truth. Being effective ba? Okay. Let's see. Let me just wipe it. There. Okay, scoop na natin. Oh, talagang tumigas siya, you guys. There. See? Okay, so here it is, our homemade vanilla ice cream. And now, for the last part, let's just garnish it with some fun, you know, add-ons. So we have here candy sprinkles. Let's just add a little bit. There. Oh my gosh, so cute! Okay, isa pang cookie here. And you know, to elevate your homemade ice cream experience, lagyan natin yan ng dahon ng mint. There. Oh my gosh, artist. There you go! Okay! Pwede natin ikutikman. Okay. Ano? Okay, let's taste it with a cookie. This is so good! I didn't expect it to become like parang talagang ice cream na bibili nyo sa stores. And you don't need anything else, pampatigas or what, just, you know, your freezer. It's fine. And you can also prepare like other stuff with this. Kunwari, brownie or like a cookie pa, tapos para siyang maging alamod, and then you can also put it sa coffee for affogato, and then, you know, a big sandwich, ice cream sandwich, pwede rin yun. Diba? It's so easy. So there you have it mga katribu. That's it for our homemade vanilla ice cream. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. And alam nyo, sobrang dali talaga niyang gawin. Sobrang bilis din niyang gawin. Hindi kayo magpapawis dito. So I hope you try this, and if you did, please check out yung aming email address, KalanPag_dailytribune@gmail.com. You can always send your comments or feedbacks there. Also, the recipes that you'd like us to try. You can check fresh episodes of KalanPag every Mondays at 10:30 a.m. on Daily Tribune's Facebook page and also on Tribune Now on YouTube. Once again, I am your katropa, Venice Bautista. Stay safe, guys. See you again next week.
Ang Daily Tribune may digital shows na din. Dahil sa mas lumalaki at mas lumalakas nating tribu, handog sa inyo ng Daily Tribune ang mga programang magbibigay buhay araw-araw. Be informed at mag-good vibes tuwing umaga sa programang Gising Na. Be updated sa news and happenings sa Tribune News on Cue. Mas kilalanin pa natin ang mga paborito nyong atleta sa programang The Athletes Tribune. Alamin ang latest entertainment sa programang What's Up. Ma-inspire sa mga kwentong hatid ng Perfect. Search lang ang Daily Tribune sa inyong Facebook at Tribune Now on YouTube. See you there mga katribu!